includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Juniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service can state college. College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Avon, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Ephrata, Anvil, Cornwall, Myerstown, Denver, Reamstown, Pleasant Hill, Sand Hill, Newmanstown, Lebanon South, Cleona, Avon, Richland, Fredericksburg, Brickerville, Schaefferstown, Quinton, Harper Tavern, and Lickdale. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 274 to 284. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 85 to 94. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and Lebanon. A strong thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, York County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, central Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., a few severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dillsburg to Lake Mead to near New Oxford to near Rouserville to near Waynesboro, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include York, Hanover, Michaelstown, Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Parkville, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, Hampton, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire, West York, Littlestown, Carroll Valley, Shrewsbury, Fedoris, Grantley, and Valley Green. This includes Interstate 83 from mile marker 0 to 35. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Franklin, and York. The National Weather Service can New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks South Central Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Adamstown to near Mannheim to near Windsor to near Manchester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
5 p.m.
trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Columbia, Millersville, Willows, Mountjoy, Redland, New Holland, Mannheim, St. Petersburg, Dallastown, Akron, Leola, Paradise, Salunga and Landisville, Denver, Shrewsbury, Reamstown, and Rothsville. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 268 to 295. Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall of over 1 inch in just 15 minutes is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York. The National Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm. In Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:30 p.m. At 3:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Reading, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Westchester, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Wyomissing, Downingtown, Birdsboro, Laureldale, Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, Putown, Marshallton, Lionville and Marchwood, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Youngville, Shadarville, West Goshen and Stowe. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 322. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania,